Tell me, how was your life as a youngster?
Ruthless. My style is a juvenile.
You said I was going 75, dude? No, sir. No, sir, dude. No, dude, sir, I was not, sir, dude. I wasn't even. I don't even go that slow on the back roads, dude. You know what I'm saying? I was going way faster than that.
Get him, Yates.
75? What do I look like? A little baby snail or something, dude?
From the legendary Bay Area in extraordinary California, there emerges a figure most curious. He moves not with the thunderous steps. No, his ascent is quiet, almost imperceptible. It is whispered among many that he shall one day conquer the world, rising to its very summit, and yet, remarkably, he may not even know it. Observe how he drifts through the world, unburdened by the weight of his own potential. While others scramble and claw for dominance, he advances with an effortless grace, guided not by hunger for power, but by some deeper, unseen current.
Feeling good, huh, Yates?
Like the steady growth of a magnificent Californian oak, or the silent shifts of the San Andreas Fault, his influence expands, unnoticed yet unstoppable.
Do you feel strong?
And so, perhaps the greatest power lies not in knowing one's destiny, but in simply becoming it.
Go, Jack, go! Go, Jack, go! Go, Jack, go! Let's go, Yates! Let's go, buddy!
Natural enthusiasm, that's the whole thing. It's the greatest thing in the world, natural enthusiasm. You're nothing without it.
On a hot sunny day
Can't get the bikes
in
in.
San Francisco Bay. Come on, Fred.
That very handsome man. I wonder who he is. I don't think I've seen him around before. I thought I knew all the handsome men in this village. We could use some new faces.